English French avoir future. I will have equals.
Je vais avoir.
Welcome to
Avoir.
Future. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to laugh and learn French? You and I are going to master, will have, across all persons using.
Avoir.
Warm up your mouth. Say.
Je vais avoir.
Nice. Let's make the future ours. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every will have form without blinking. I will have.
Je vais avoir.
Near future and
J'aurai.
simple future. You will have singular, informal.
Tu auras.
He will have.
Il aura.
She will have.
Elle aura.
We will have.
Nous aurons.
You will have, plural, formal.
Vous aurez.
They will have.
Ils auront.
Base verb, have.
Avoir.
Forms in action. Hear a mini scene and echo the French parts out loud. A. Tomorrow, will you have time? B. Yes.
Je vais avoir.
Une heure et midi. A. Great.
Nous aurons.
Un café alors. B. And the team? A.
Ils auront.
Les résultats demain. B. Perfect. If Mark finishes early.
Il aura.
Even more time. A. And Clara? B.
Elle aura.
Les clés, for the meeting.
Vous aurez.
The slides by 9. Fast drills. Your turn. Hear the English, say the French before I do. I will have a break at noon.
Je vais avoir.
Une pause à midi. Or.
J'aurai.
Une pause à midi. You will have the keys. Singular.
Tu auras.
Les clés. We will have more time tomorrow.
Nous aurons.
Plus de temps demain. You will have access at 10. Plural, formal.
Vous aurez.
Access à dix hers. They will have a meeting at 9.
Ils auront.
Une réunion à 9 hers. Tip. The base verb is
Avoir.
keep it handy. Culture tip. Tiny but mighty tip to sound natural. French uses.
Avoir.
For age, say.
J'ai 20 ans.
Not, I am 20. For the future, a plan soon vibe? Use.
Je vais avoir.
Futur proche. Crisp, neutral promise? Use.
J'aurai.
Futur simple. Keep both in your toolkit. Quick quiz. Pop quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a pause. Q1. How do you say, you will have to a friend? A.
Tu auras.
Q2. They will have the results tomorrow, in French? A.
Ils auront.
Les résultats demain. Q3. Which verb means to have? A.
Avoir.
Q4. We will have time, give the French. A.
Nous aurons.
Le temps. Q5. Translate, she will have the keys. A.
Elle aura.
Les clés. Q6. Bonus. Say, I will have a meeting at 9, 2 ways. A.
Je vais avoir.
Une réunion à 9 hers. Slash.
J'aurai.
Une réunion à 9 hers. Final challenge. Last push. You're the planner in chief now. Build a sentence with each form in 10 seconds. 1. I will have. 2. You, sing, will have. 3. He will have. 4. She will have. 5. We will have. 6. You, plural, formal, will have. 7. They will have. 8. Say the base verb. Answer key.
Je vais avoir.
Slash.
J'aurai. Tu auras. Il aura. Elle aura. Nous aurons. Vous aurez. Ils auront. Avoir.
Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms in short daily bursts, and revisit the drills whenever you need a boost. For more lessons, printables, and videos, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. A trace bientôt.